Hello, hi everyone. This is Yusuf Online from EduService International Global Network. It's an education agency based in Malaysia. And right now we're here to help international students, especially since we are just still recovering from MCO. We didn't stop our pursuit to assist the international students regarding their issue of studying in Malaysia as usual. And tonight we are here especially to guide international students for those who do wish to pursue their accounting courses in Malaysia. As we see that Malaysia is one of the countries based in Asia, so it got a lot of varieties of international students from all over the world. Basically, there are those on still from other Asian countries and those from other countries, for example, Europe, for example, African students. There are a lot here in Malaysia. So if you would wish to study your accounting course in Malaysia, here is the guideline for you. And we are here always to help you in any need regarding studying in Malaysia. You can simply contact us via any of our social media. You can reach us on Facebook, just search EduService International Global Network. You can reach us via Instagram. You can reach us via Facebook, Instagram, or else you can simply WhatsApp us on our office work. We got a WhatsApp number to do with work for international students for easy contacting. Simply, we're not going to go far because we got to be working as well as trying to guide our international students. Below, for those who would like to study in Malaysia, to do their accounting courses, here are the guidelines or some things you should know about studying in Malaysia. First of all, before you who is an international student and would wish to study in Malaysia, first of all, you got to ask yourself, what is accounting? Most of us hear about accounting, but we have no clue what does accounting mean or what does it mean exactly in general. But simply, accounting, this is courses that deal with so much of analyzing, reporting, and recording information. Those are some of accounting courses. They require recording and reporting financial information, most especially. Those are what we call accounting courses. So that's what it means. If you hear about anything regarding accounting, that means reporting financial information and recording it and still analyzing it. That's what it means when we say accounting courses. Anything involving reporting financial information by recording it, analyzing it, that is a financial that's an accounting course. So let's try to go deep and try to see what are the requirements for international students who would like to further study or to pursue his or her studies in Malaysia. Before not going any further, so there are different examples of accounting, as I will show you in details right here. We got some things. Part B is, first of all, I was like to say, what are the various fields of accounting? Accounting got some fields. In this course of accounting, we got various fields which we are going to look at. Accounting can be financial accounting, can be management accounting. These are some of the various fields in accounting. So you who is an international student and would wish to go on and further study or further do your accounting courses in Malaysia, it's best suitable for you to know that accounting has got these various fields. As I'm mentioning them right now, there is financial accounting, there is management accounting, there is tax accounting, and also audit and insurance services. I repeat, there are various fields of accounting. First, I'll say financial accounting, management accounting, and also tax accounting, plus audit and insurance services accounting. So in these fields, all of these fields, you can find them in Malaysia. We have a lot of universities offering accounting courses. So don't hesitate, please, to reach us or to contact us. So we'd like to studying accounting courses. They are what we call could be the entry requirements that or like what qualify you for these courses of accounting in Malaysia. In order to pursue a degree in accounting, you will need to meet the entry requirements here in the general requirements. So first of all, you have to be having the following documentations for those of you who are willing to pursue their accounting degree courses in Malaysia, especially those who are willing to further study degree courses in Malaysia. If you want to complete your degree in Malaysia, for example, these are some of the requirements that you have to meet. Requirement 1, to qualify for applying for a degree in accounting, you must have a diploma in accounting. Typically, if you don't, this is one of the requirements. Second, you must have if that's a diploma in accounting. If you don't have A-level certification, which is equivalent to that diploma degree. If you don't have A-level, then that means we are going to require you to have a diploma in accounting. All else, you must present what you call here in Malaysia. There's what you call something equivalent to SPM, minimum 3 credits, including a pass in mathematics, English, and ISO. That's only for Malaysia. But for international students, that means you will need to have a pass in mathematics and English to pursue your accounting degree here in Malaysia. A diploma, for example, if you want to get a diploma accounting in Malaysia, also if you don't have it, so you can use the O-level certificate is enough for you. There's what you call A-level and O-level. For those who are having O-level, that means they can directly go and do the diploma. The diploma period, it takes about 2 to it can take about two years. It's about 2 years to complete it, but if it takes too much, it can take 2.5 years long for you to complete your diploma if you don't have it. But for those who have their diploma already, they can directly go and complete their degree in accounting. And for those who don't have the diploma, you are required to present your O-level certification, which is equivalent to SPM Malaysian standard levels. I mean, you must have 3 credit passes, that is in mathematics, English, and let's say in any other art subjects. That could be history, for example. More to this, degree accounting in Malaysia, there's what you call a standard requirement for those of you who want. Now that I've been trying to break down for those with diploma, A-levels, and this one things all, but for those of you who are already prepared, their A-level certificate is ready. There's what you call STPM is ready. All could be Australian Multi-Situation, all could be foundation in business, all could be foundation in arts. So any of these one, any of you students out there and you are having this qualification or these certifications, you are ready to go and apply for a degree certification here in Malaysia. You qualify for it. And more to this, the pathway about studying this course is simple. For those of you who will need let's say a soft copy of the pathway on how to approach this course in accounting here in Malaysia, especially, you can just WhatsApp us or send us an email on eduservice.info@gmail.com. Then you will be able to receive, or we will send you a soft copy of the requirements for you to pursue your accounting course here in Malaysia. More to this, let's go further in details and try to understand what does this course mean. So I'll ask so many students, they ask themselves, like they have so many questions, like they are wondering what they will study in accounting. What accounting is broad because it looks at different aspects in accounting. Majorly, when you are going to pursue an accounting course, expect to meet these some of the study areas that you're going to meet in accounting. There's what you call financial accounting, as I mentioned earlier. There's what you call business law. There's what you call marketing. There's what you call finance and investment. There's what you call economic and microeconomics. That's in accounting, economics. And this economics Got branches, which is macroeconomics and macroeconomics. And also there's what we call management principles. You have to look at these things. And there's also what we call quantitative methods. All these things you'll be expecting to meet them in your accounting degree program. More to this, as students, you ask yourself questions such as, why should I study accounting? For those who are interested in calculating, recording, and analyzing data, why should we study these courses? Why should I go for an accounting course? So here are some of the breakthrough reasons I may refer to you as to why you may take an accounting course. So first of all, accounting course, it helps you to gain practical skills. It helps you to gain practical skills. And also on top of this one, accounting courses, there are wide range of options in future. There are wide range of options in future as in today's life. So expect that you're going to have so much options in future when you do your accounting course, because it will equip you with so much knowledge as in computing, as in analyzing, and as in recording, which is needed in most of the business sectors all around the world. So more to this one, accounting course, there's countless possibilities in business. Countless possibilities in business for those students who think they can go more and run their own business. So to be able and it will be easy for you to have that knowledge to manage and run your own business. For those of you who have the CEO capacity, who are willing to have those thoughts of establishing things of their own, so the accounting courses basically suits you. So don't go any further. For those of you dreaming to be CEO, don't bother yourself. Straight away go and search for accounting courses, because they will help you to reach your goal. Those who are dreaming to be CEOs, so it's the suitable course for you to acquire knowledge on how to establish and manage a business. More to this one. For what skills, students ask them, so what skills do we need for accounting courses? Because there are some skills which are required to manage these courses. So this could be some of the skills which are required in accounting courses. First of all, I would say, because it depends on the language of the country and the medium of teaching in the country. For example, here in Malaysia, there is the medium of teaching. There is Bahasa and also English. So the first skill you must have, especially for international students or foreign students here who are studying in Malaysia, you need to be having good reading skills. You need to be able to read and write English. So this is one of the skills that is required. You need to be able to having this skill, and you have to testify it. Second skill, as an accounting student or somebody willing to pursue accounting studies further in anywhere around the world, but basically tonight we are talking about Malaysia, you are supposed to be good at making decisions. That's another skill that you require to be having. You are supposed to be having good decision in making skills, like good decisions. You got my point? So that you can decide, you have to be fast and quickly at deciding what skill, fast at decision making. You have to be a bit fast at deciding on what course you want to study in Malaysia here. Third, you have to be good at, you need to be having good communication skills. You are required to be having good communication skills in case you would like to have some accounting course here in Malaysia. Furthermore to this one, as I told you already, let's talk about the career options. Like after you finish the accounting courses, what do you expect in return? What could be the possible jobs out there waiting for you? What some positions can you go and apply for in case you decide to look for a job, or you are not that person who is thinking of being a CEO, but you chose to look for a job? These are some of the possible positions you can apply once you've done your degree in accounting course here in Malaysia. First of all, the first career you can apply for accountant. You can be an accountant in any firm or in any company. That's one. You can be an auditor of any company or any firm. That's two. Third, you can be a chief finance officer. You can be a financial controller. You can be a foreign account. All this position will be there for you. You can be an investment banker. You can be a tax consultant. All these ones are there for you. You just feel relaxed. You just feel okay. Such career or positions or jobs could be out there waiting for you. You got my point? So in more to this one, you will still be equipped with some more other skills in the field of industries and the fields of managing things around. For example, financial services will be in there. Real estate companies can employ you. Telecommunication companies still can employ you. Market researchers can employ you. Media and advertising companies still can employ you. Logistics also can employ you. So there is a lot of varieties of areas where you can, after you've done your degree, there are so many areas where you can easily go and antagonize and try to do your job, your future job. So that's part of things that you're required to know about accounting course in Malaysia. More to this one, most of students would say, where are the best places can we acquire these accounting courses? Where can we start the accounting courses in Malaysia? Honestly, there are so many places in Malaysia you can do these courses in accounting. But briefly tonight, just allow me to call on one of our corporate partner. It's a university by the name of City University. I'm going to host one of their international consultant agents so that we can have some clue or we can have some knowledge. But this is one of the universities we are dealing with here in Malaysia. So I'm going to host him on live chat here with him. I'm going to get him in line with me so he can tell us about studying in this university, City University. It's a good university. It's offering accounting courses. They have very good services down there. It's affordable. So let's get in line with him. Let's see how we can get in line with him. I'm trying to reach him right now. I'll try to invite him to see that we can reach him and to see that we can have a clue with him. We can talk and share about something together with him. So stay online, stay watching, and please don't forget to follow and don't forget to like this video. Trying to reach him is online. So he's going to tell us more about City University, one of the places where you can acquire a course in accounting here in Malaysia. They have got a lot of good courses. They have got quality education. So it's one of the international student consultants. He is here online. Hello, Mr. Anwar. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
How are you?
I'm good. Nice to see you online, because I've been here trying to approach you. I've been telling everybody out there that we are going to host one of the international student consultants in City University, and greatly you are here. So, Mr. Anwar or Brother Anwar, please tell us more about, introduce yourself to the world of students.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayman Anwar. Originally I'm from Eritrea, but I live in Malaysia for years. I've been working with City University for 3 years now.
That's great. Yes, okay, so Brother Anwar, that's good to hear from you. Tell us more. Tell us more about City University, because I've been discussing here about accounting courses in Malaysia, and for me, I know one of the best places to acquire to acquire accounting courses in Malaysia, or to go on and further complete your degree accounting course in Malaysia. I recommend, or I refer to City University, because one of my corporate agents university I work with here. So why do you think City University is the best?
City University have been operating since 35 years now. We are entering the 36 years. We have 35,000 good students who have been working very big as IBM, Google. All our graduates have been very successful.
That's great.
See that. Yeah, we offer an affordable.
That's great. That's great.
High quality of education.
That's great. Because so you hear.
We understand the student situation. We understand everything, but we still give a good quality education to our students.
That's great. That's very great. So just more to this, Mr. Anwar. So I would like to know, because currently the world is facing a global crisis, like of the COVID-19 problem. Like we are facing the problem that students, like especially the international students, they are willing to apply and go on for studies in Malaysia or anywhere around the world. How are you tackling this matter? How are you dealing with this matter for the international students? How are you managing them right now? Because I don't know, are you open? Can they come and attend the class, or the classes are online?
Okay, for the time being, considering the situation and borders are being closed for the student safety, we are conducting online classes until December, by the end of the year. By January, students can come to Malaysia, they can have the physical classes, normal physical classes. But for the time being, we are conducting online classes so that everyone can be safe and they can still.
Oh, I see. That's good. So thank you, Mr. Anna. So more to this one, we are still having lots of questions popping in here, because international students are asking me always when they reach me, they are saying that is it time they can they apply during this time and wait until maybe the COVID-19 kind of will be MCO will be keep on extending? Can they apply now for example accounting courses? They can be can they start applying now? Like if they start apply the process of their visas, all this stuff, will it be like is it the right time for them to apply, right? Like for example in this time, do you accept
Yes, it's
applications
not a
for
problem. And start their visa processing. Everything will be the same. All the process will be the same. Once they get the visa, the borders are open, they can come to Malaysia. Let's say they want to start classes before the borders are open, that's an option as well. They can start. But processing admission is still open for everyone to take admission.
I see. All right. So another question here, brother Anwar, is like now, for that kind of situation, like we know a lot of people, especially international students, they are in a crisis. Some students don't have enough budget to accompany them because of the crisis. So how is the universities responding to the call of this? Because there are students outside there and they would like to study, honestly, but now they are facing a crisis in this period of COVID-19. Some of them, their parents, they got not enough money on their account. So how are you going to help such students in this period of this COVID-19? Are you having some way, are you waiving on some school fees? Are you making like tuition fee? Are you making it a bit low, or you're giving on some discounts, kind of things?
Okay, we understand the current situation and we know everyone is struggling. Literally everyone is struggling around. So the university has decided to give 30% scholarship to every student, and
that's great.
Can be paid in installment to help the students ease their payment schedule.
That's great. So you got a 30% discount.
30%, correct.
Oh, that's great. Thank you very much, City University. I'm proud of you and hope the international students, you have added, everything is open, administration is open, you can start producing, you can start accessing your application. So don't hesitate, don't stop. If you're online and you're listening, keep on. You can reach us and we help you to secure a place from City University. It's based in Malaysia, it's a good university. Brother Anwar, more to this. Tell us more. How is the life in total for international students here in Malaysia, according to you? How is the life, the universe life for international students, especially depending on those international students who are already in your university, who are already in City University? How is their life? How are they managing? Is it easy? Accommodation, food, this issue of feeling at home? How is everything over in City University?
Okay.
In general.
I came to Malaysia initially 7 years ago as a student. I finished my bachelor here, I finished my master here. I understand the students' concern. In City University, we have accommodation, we have clubs for interest. If someone is interested in music, we have music club, we have football club, we have kind of activities. So the students have sometimes, other than studying, they have some other like co-curriculum activities. So
that's
accommodation,
great.
transportation is there. Anything to help the student, even if they have any concern, we will be able to assist them.
Oh, that's great. That's great. That's very nice. All right. So you can tell us more about what some of the courses. Tonight I've been discussing about accounting courses in Malaysia, and I've recommended City University is one of the university. And anyone outside there, you can reach us, and we help you to secure you a position, and you get more discount from the university through our agency. This is International Global Network Agency. You can reach us. We can help you to discuss more with City University to get you more offers, as many as you want. More this one, I'll let you to talk about, tell us some of more of the courses you are offering in City University, or some of other programs, degree programs, can be PhD programs, or master programs. I'll let you tell the world what other more programs are you offering in City University other than degree in accounting.
Okay. We have programs starting from foundation studies up until PhD and doctorate level. We have faculty of hospitality and tourism. We have faculty of art and design, graphic design, multimedia. We have faculty of architecture and built environment, like
That's great.
architecture studies, interior. We have engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. We have faculty of business, business administration, accounting, finance. We have also IT and software engineering. We have science, we have nursing, we have medical lab, we have safety, occupation and health. We have also PhD in IT, PhD in business, PhD in design. We have masters in business, we have masters in engineering, master in accounting, and master in IT as well. This is basically the overall
That's great. That's great. That's great. So I think, Brother Arnold, is there anything more you'd like to share with us tonight about is there anything more you'd like to tell the students, or you'd like to tell the world? Because it's you to tell us more about the City University. So anything you'd like to share with us about City University, please go on.
Okay, like I said before, City University has been on for 6 years. It's a well-known university in Malaysia. The university is located very strategically in the middle of the city, specifically in Petaling Jaya.
Great.
By trains, by buses, and the highway. So students can take the train, they can take bus, they can use, they can afford cars. It's very easily accessible. And
that's great.
We provide, we help the student to get bank accounts, all these things we can provide to the student.
That's great. That's great. That's great. All right, Brother Anwar, it's been a great honor to host you tonight. And hopefully we'll be back again more. We will have another session. This is the first session. So next time we will keep in touch. We set a day. So we'll see more about City University. This was just a brief introduction about City University. Because of time, we got rushing for some stuff to handle. So be ready for the next session next time. We'll keep in touch with you, Mr. Anwar. It's been a pleasure to have you online. It's been a pleasure to have you online. Thank you very much for your time. And greetings to all City University alumni. See you. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.